Hi everyone. We will wait for Chef Kapil Sai to join with us. Welcome to the live session, The Budding Foodie. We're just waiting for Chef Kapil Sai to join with us. Hello, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Welcome. I'm good. How are you? Welcome to the live session.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. So, shall we start?
Yeah, please, please.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome to another live session presented to you by Revon Academy. Revon Academy is an e-learning platform for the hospitality, culinary, tourism, and service sector. As in the previous live session, Miss Samriddhi Sai told us about the benefits of a healthy diet. So we have got your way to it. Today we have with us Chef Kapil Sai, who's a very passionate culinary artist, and he's very creative with the food. So, and who's currently working as a executive chef in Radisson Blue, Sector 55, Noida. Welcome, sir. Devon Academy feels grateful to have you here with us today.
Thank you so much. Thank you. As you mentioned about good
Yes,
food, healthy food. So today,
yes, sir.
as it was mentioned earlier, that we'll be picking up vegan diet. So the
Okay,
thing
sir.
about vegan food is what we're gonna, showcase over here. So there's a very simple recipe. A lot of people call it vegan kathi roll, Bombay Frankie. It's basically inspired from a kathi roll or a Frankie
Okay.
or a burrito. So what we do is, so I'll give you a little brief about vegan. Why I had a session probably a week back also on vegan. Now, this is a diet which is, it's just going well these days. To be honest, people are moving towards the healthy part of the food, and it's something a good snacky sort of a thing. So, vegan diet, vegan food is basically uh, a particular diet which has no animal products or any byproducts. So when we
Okay.
say that, let it be any sort of meats, any sort of seafood, even the byproducts means there is no milk, there is no cheese, there's no yogurt, and even the people who go into the vegan diets or vegan food and who probably, completely call them vegans, they won't be using even some products like leather or anything which is coming out of animal. Any
Okay,
sort of production, any sort of thing which is coming out of animals is pure no when we call it a
hmm.
vegan over here. So what we had a little clue that we were thinking about it and how to go for it, pick up something which is very you know good for the Indian palates. So why not to get something like a kathi roll, done a roll, which is a very popular snacks in India probably, I know, let's get something like that and let the people enjoy that in the vegan style. And trust me, we have done it. We did a lot of experiments over it. We did the recipe. I myself with the team, we did the recipe, and it had, it came out to be really well. So what we're gonna do today is quickly we'll just go for a vegan roll. So very simple products, very simple ingredients required for it. There is a kati with me, a whole wheat kati. What I'm gonna use today. You can use a tortilla, whole wheat tortilla, which is easily available. If or probably a chapati at home. Be a little commercial and professional. So we come up with big rotis at hotel because we have big griddles and all. At home, you guys can have it with the little tawa and all. Just do a good roti and just it's all about the ingredients which goes into it. So we'll
Okay.
be doing a stuffing for this. So for the base, we have done a mashed potato. So
Okay.
this mashed potato has been flavored with curry powder. So it's a curry mashed potato, which gives a base to the whole thing. It's like you spread it out just like a mayonnaise or butter when you do it, or a chutney. And then there are very cool elements we'll be using into it. So we got some roasted cauliflower with us. Now this is again done with curry powder and basic Indian spices. We just roasted it in the oven and kept it with us. Again, something you can use leftover gobi, aloo, whatever's there with you from last night, whatever's there in your fridge. We got some really good looking spinach with us. Preferably small leaves are good when you're gonna use this. We got some chickpeas to it, and we got some crunchy, the fried chickpeas also to it, and my favorite, uh, sirka onions. Now this
Okay.
goes into it at the last, gives a tangy taste to it, and then we're gonna again. It depends upon you. I know tofu is not that readily available, but yes, it's available in the packets these days. And tofu has nothing to do with animal. It's totally into the soya bean and all, so it has nothing to. So you can use this. Rather, we have done a mint chutney. A lot of
Okay.
people do mint chutney with yogurts into it. As uh, it's gonna be a vegan diet, we cannot use yogurt into it. So we'll be using. We have used tofu just to get that creaminess into the whole chutney. So now we'll just
Uh,
quickly. Yeah. Any questions?
Sir, yeah, sir. I want to ask you, so do we have any substitute for the tofu? Like some people, I mean, I don't know, it's very readily available in the market or not. So if there is any substitute to the tofu.
Ma'am, tofu is something which hits my mind right now. But again, as far as when you say that vegan meal, there probably you can go with almond milk or the soya milk, which is available in the market. So if it's
Okay.
tofu is not there, you want to blend it, you just add a bit of milk to it. That
Okay.
also gives a solves the purpose to you.
Okay.
So we'll quickly just I got this. Roti with me, a kathi with me. So I'll quickly just heat it up, warm a little bit, or we can roll it up and we can gonna roll it. We're gonna warm it up again at the end. So I'm just my pan is ready and I'm just warming up my roti or
Okay.
tortilla or the kathi roti, whatever you can say.
Sir, does the roti needs to be very crisp or
No, no,
does it
it's
need to?
generally with kathi rolls, you don't do it very crisp and all.
Okay.
You need to have a little softer roti because you're
Okay.
gonna roll it up with a lot of stuffing to it, and then at the end, of course, the way you want your kathi rolls, you want to crisp it up with good amount of oil. We're gonna just warm it up again, make a little crispy at the end.
Okay.
Otherwise, the softer version is required to roll it up. So my
Okay,
roti
sir.
is warmed up right now. So I'm quickly gonna do a little bit of olive oil quickly. Rather the Cauliflower is almost done with me, so I'm gonna quickly just add up a little spinach.
Okay.
So we're gonna basically warm up our stuff. We're gonna, just heat them up, cook them all together for the stuffing. I'm just adding a bit of cauliflowers, which are already there, basically to warm it up, and bit of
Okay.
chickpeas.
The vegetables needs to be stir fried, right?
Stir fried, sauteed, to be honest. Not a
Okay.
very at a high heat or something like that. Gonna add bit of salt and pepper to it. As my cauliflower is
Okay.
already, nicely seasoned, and then even the mashed potatoes seasoned with the curry. So meanwhile, these guys are getting little heated up.
Hmm.
So quickly, I'll just take my mashed potatoes and just spread it up. So the mashed potatoes goes into onto the roti.
Okay.
So it forms a good base at the at below. So my vegetables are almost done. I'm just probably gonna add bit of tofu. No need to cook it, but just to blend it with the whole stuffing. So so my pan is totally shut. Again, you can add the mint chutney. What you have, I'm gonna use the mint chutney more like as accompaniment to the whole dish as the sauce with it. But again, you can spread it out with the mashed potatoes, and you can use it at that time also.
Okay.
So I'm just transferring all my veggies into the roll. I'm gonna use a bit of my, to be honest, not bit. I love them, so I'll be using a much more of my pickled onions. Now the pickling of this is very easy. It's basically vinegar, half of portions of vinegar and water, and
Okay.
beetroot and onions to it. So onions get all the color, rather the whole liquid gets the color with beetroot. Very simple to make at home.
And sir, are there any spice added to these onions?
No, nothing like that. Nothing.
Nothing
It's
like
just
that. Just
simply
vinegar and
vinegar.
beetroot.
Yeah, exactly. What we get it, we often go to a Punjabi restaurant, we get our Indian food and we get that sirke wala
Yeah.
pyaz. It's basically a
It's just
pure
that.
sirke wala. So
Okay.
we'll just quickly roll as all the ingredients are into it. So we'll quickly roll our kathi or burrito, whatever you want to say, or a Frankie even. So that's my roll almost done. Probably I'll just heat it up a little more. So just take up your roll, let the thing be a little heated up. But again,
Okay.
vegan is something which is going very good these days. It's much of a very healthier version. A lot of people, there are people who are vegetarian, people are in vegetarians, but vegan is something which is much more on a healthier side. People probably are not that aware about the
Vegan diet.
cuisine that much in India, to be honest. But yes, we
Yeah.
often get requests for the same.
Hmm. But lately, vegan diet is getting into the trend.
Exactly. It's
People,
actually getting.
yeah, people are converting themselves into vegan. And honestly, with this corona, I feel like it's high time we should start respecting our environment and the humans
Exactly,
and all the
exactly.
resources around us.
True, very true, very true. So I've got a plate ready for me for the presentation.
Okay.
So my roll is getting crispy over there. You can crisp the kathi or roll as per your choice. But yeah, at the
Okay.
later point, not very early because it will be very hard to roll it up at that moment.
Okay.
So we just taken our roll. I'll just
Hmm.
probably nicely we'll just go one by two with that just to finish it up with the condiments. I'll just have a bit of mint chutney to it. Again, be generous with these with these pickled onions. I use them a lot, as I said, so probably a few more at the end. And we got some lemon wedges with us. You know, people, if they want to have a little more tanginess to it.
Tangy flavor.
Yeah. So that's the roll,
Sir,
kaki
if you could
roll.
give a
Sure,
closer look to
sure.
the
We'll
roll. Yeah.
just do it right away. So if you
Oh
see
my
the
God.
stuffing also, if you can
Yeah.
just yeah, if you see the stuffing, good looking, pickled onions and you know stuff to it. You can add
Yeah.
for the
It looks
crunchiness.
so delicious that I just feel like if I can just take it, I'm just
Well,
slurping right now. It's just super, it looks super yummy.
great, awesome.
I'll try it and I will definitely share my reviews, my feedback
Sure,
for the
sure.
recipe.
Great. Hop in anytime. Once the hotel comes in, you stay nearby. Why don't you just
Yeah,
hop in and
sure, sir.
probably we'll do it
I-
again.
Sure, sir. So,
Great.
sir, along with this, if you could tell us some benefits of the vegan diet,
Now
so
again,
that more,
yeah, see, one definitely, you're getting environment friendly to it. It's about not getting into the animal products. They have their own life. Let's not unnecessarily just go away hunting after them just for our own benefit. So the environment thing is definitely makes more sense. Plus, getting into such a vegan diet, people had that notion that probably if you get vegan, you're not having any milk, you're not having anything, milk products or other stuff. How we gonna sustain? Probably the diet is unhealthy. This is something which I heard people, commenting a lot of
yeah, they
places and
kind
all.
of have
But
this myth that it's more unhealthy, or I don't
yeah,
know, they have a
exactly.
lot of myths and taboos if we talk about the vegan diet.
Yeah, so see, we need to understand food. We need to understand our body that exactly how many calories or how many nutrients we require in a day. And if a beautifully diet done for you, even with the vegan diet, to be honest, it's one of trust me, as a lot of things, a lot of chefs are talking about this farms to farmer to farm and on table. A lot of all these things wherein we're trying to get some basic stuff back to the hotels, back to the our living rooms. Nowadays I remember a lot of people we used to have a whole wheat atta. Now people are processing attas. I've seen a lot of people getting into Chuckies and telling them the whole nutritional flour they need for home. So people are moving towards it, and especially with vegan also, the myth still prevails that it's not a healthy diet and all. See, a person needs to understand that how much food, how much nutrition a person requires in a day, and vegan has all the properties. The diet has all the properties to fulfill your needs for a basic person to have a healthy and a happy life.
Okay, yeah, of course. So, sir, one more thing. I was reading about it. I was reading about the vegan diet, and I came through this problem that some of the people think that, this vegan diet is more expensive over the normal diet. Like, if you talk about the milk, soy milk is more expensive than normal milk, cow or buffalo milk, or maybe the tofu is more expensive than the normal paneer. So, what do you have to say about it?
To be honest, it's all about demand and supply. It's a proper equation of demand and supply. Uh, Trust me, if people in India, atta, every farmer is into गेहूं की फसल या chawal की फसल because demand वही है. Once
Hmm.
the demand rises up कि हमें ragi चाहिए, हमें buckwheat, we need those flours. People will start churning out those things for us. So if there is a start to it, if there is a demand to it, that okay, people will see that okay, there are n number of people who are getting into soy milk or almond milk, which are much healthier, and going into the vegan food, and it's not about just dealing with tofu or a soya milk over there, expensive item. It's about creating a demand for these guys. If in the market, if there is, let's say, four shops and only one shop is selling almond milk, unless and until there is a demand of these stuff, automatically you'll have probably a lot of factories getting into this, and there'll be a lot of competition in the market, and slowly the rates will come down. So again, of course, almond milk is something, you have pure almonds to it and all. I understand. Even it's about that we don't have a great demand to it, but it's about अब सबको normal दूध ही पीना है, तो there is a good amount of demand, so the rates are there. So
Hmm.
once I think we'll have much more requirements, all these will be taken care of that. And plus, vegan has a lot of options. When we say that no cheese, no dairy, or anything like that, there is n number of options a vegan has.
So, sir, if you could tell us some handful options, like quickly some handful options about, of the vegan products. Like as of now, I only know a few options like tofu or soy milk or almond milk. What else apart from these options?
See, your regular vegetables, which has nothing to do with animals, your regular grains or flour or anything which has nothing to do with these, your pulses, beautiful pulses India has. Why don't we hop into it? There are a lot of lentils, pulses, all these things. There are a number of things. It's just that you're not using anything which is related to animal and their products. Rest is the thing is open to you. The whole supermarket is open to you. There's good amount of choices to it. With the recipes, making it like we came up with a vegan recipe out here, but again, coming up with so many recipe, I was rather going up with a lot of recipes who are not using cheese or milk or anything like that. Uh, there are n number of choices to it. N number of choices.
Okay, yeah, of course, sir. And sir, according to you, which are the top brands which are getting into the vegan products?
Brands as in you're talking about the
Brands as
hotel.
in, sorry?
You're talking about hotels or something like
No,
that,
not
or
the products which we get in the market. Those brands, like, any of the top brands which are getting into the vegan products, which are
I'm
actually producing, yeah.
see, there are a lot of. I'm not sure about the brands itself with the names. Probably, if there is demand to it, Nestle, Amul, these sort of people. I know Amul is not doing with it with that right now, but there will be brands who will be coming in. With all these products. I remember quickly a few days back, I picked up almond milk. I forgot which company I picked up. So there are brands available. Again, as I said, if there'll be a need to it, the home brands, what we call them, Amul, Mother Dairy, and all these, probably you'll see them selling. And rather, there are few of them who are already selling soy milk and all. So how about coming up with almond milk and all these brands? I probably they must be selling it, and very few will be starting. But again, depends upon what's the supply at the demand at as a consumer we do. But yes, I was recently reading somewhere that Virat Kohli, matter of fact,
Yeah.
he turned into vegan a few probably a year back. So he turned into a proper vegan himself and his wife Anushka. So there are people, there are big celebrities who are getting into it. So there's again that's voodoo is there, that myth is there that only uh, people with that
The,
much of money can afford the diet or something like that. It's totally a myth. It's just that you need to read a lot. You need to understand the vegan diet. There are a lot of options available. It's not that a cuisine which is only limited to Western cuisine or a Western world. It's something as Indians we have a lot of products which are vegan, and very easily we can use them.
and sir, since we are talking about it, so we get to know that it's more becoming like a trend these days. So what do you have to say? What do you have to tell the students which are into this line of the which are in hoteliers or the aspirant hoteliers? do they need to start experimenting with the vegan diet?
Sure, why not? Why only vegan? See, the stage is on. Like in the hotels, and now me being heading a culinary department, most of the times, if we are not on the range, we are with a lot of different people, a lot of different guests with us who have different demands. Some is traveling with an allergy of XYZ. Some require gluten-free diet. Some require these vegan diets. So there are people who are with all these needs, and to be honest, it's good that at an early stage, at an early level, let's say with the hotel management institutes or a culinary institutes, we incorporate these things, we make them understand about these special diets, because now it's a very new normal. It's nothing like just the vegetarian and non-vegetarian, which probably 15, 16 years back when I used to study, it was there. But slowly, gradually, these diets are there. People are suffering from XYZ, or they get into these things. So, if students especially know about these from an early stage, so it'll be very beneficial for the whole system, for them, for everyone.
I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, sir.
No, no,
Yeah.
perfectly.
So yeah, right. Yeah. So, sir, anything else you have to tell us, all of us, about the vegan diet?
Nah, I guess we had a very good session. I rather want to thank my
Yeah.
team who came up with this whole, and of course, you guys will
No, we
probably love
we
to have
feel
more engagements.
Revon Academy feels so grateful to have you, and it was such an interactive session. I'm sure all of us got a lot of knowledge about the vegan diet, which we
Great.
actually need to. It's the hour of the need to know more and more about
To be
this
honest,
diet.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
It's about keep on experimenting, keep on, it's about, you know, new things are always good to, good to learn, good to know. So, if it's vegan, if it's gluten free, food has unlimited explorations. You, you cannot stop exploring food. It's one
Yeah.
subject which we say it's very vast. We're still learning a lot on everyday basis. Probably
Yeah.
next week I got another thing wherein we're doing something with the Mediterranean food. So again, it's good to learn and come on such stage at this time, crucial times, and share something beneficial to people.
Yeah. Right. So we feel honored, we feel great to have you here, sir. Thank you so
Great,
much,
great.
and
Thank
I
you.
can't wait to try this recipe.
Please hop in anytime.
Yeah.
Please
Thank you
feel.
so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Revon
Thank you.
Academy thanks you again, and thank you all. Thanks to all the viewers for watching us to join us live. Thank you.